Capacity, 110 liters. Ideal for room size of up to 500 square ft. Product dimensions: LXBXH 76.3 cm x 43.0 cm x 123.5 cm. For any product related issues, please contact Symphony customer care at 07930130111. Always allow for cross ventilation in your area room, else cooler won't work effectively. Digital touch screen, voice assist, 6 high efficiency removable honeycomb pads, fully closable louvers, mosquito repellent, power 205 watts, operating voltage 230 V, warranty 1 year. Package includes Air Coolant. This cooler has blower for powerful air delivery, and hence it is expected to have higher noise level as compared to fan-based coolers. Electroplated motor cover, blade bracket, download and canopy. Contact us on 180010311313. 5 blades made of high quality wood. Light on or off and speed controlled by pull chains. Powerful motor with silent operation. Sweep, 1320 mm. Warranty, 2 years on product.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.